Damn, I'm blind. I told you guys, don't judge if you see me in the same shirt. You're lucky that I showered, I put on makeup, and I put on pants today. What more do you want from me? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I'm Danielle, and today I am making a vision board. Technically, this is just the board. It will turn into a vision board. Anyways, I thought it would be good to set a vision board for 2021. I'm not one who typically does like resolutions, even though I did it for 2020. It did not stick to a single one. Anyways, I really wanted to get into the thought process of manifesting and thought this would be a good way to do it. So I have gotten a poster board that I painted black, although I probably could have bought it black and then it wouldn't be bended like it is now. I have printed out a ton of things that I feel really resonate with me or are my goals. I will also say the apartment complex that I live at has a printer, so I printed through that, so this didn't cost me any money. And their ink kind of sucks, so there's that. I have some double-sided tape, so if this is something that you want to do, there you go. It's a pretty inexpensive thing, the route that I did it at least. I also have a second camera that now doesn't want to focus. I think I may have actually fixed it, guys. We shall see. Oh, great, because it tracks my face now. Wow, who knew? That's all I had to do. One of these days I'll actually figure out a camera setup. But I got a second one so you guys could actually see what's happening. So, without further ado, let's jump in. I'm gonna move this out of the way for one and change it to this way for two. That's gonna be the bottom. This needs to be towards me. Now, up close and personal, this paint job looks like crap, to be real honest with you. I'm gonna take you through what I picked. First and foremost, you are what you manifest. That is really, just kind of makes sense with the whole theme here. Then I found these, oh, I should also say none of these images are my own. I found them all off of Pinterest. I got this image that says growth because I want to have some growth this year, this upcoming year. This one says healthy because I want to be healthy, whether that is healthy mentally or healthy with my body, healthy body image, healthy relationships, all the above. Next one says confidence because confidence is something that I truly need to work on. And patience is another thing that I really need to work on because I don't have any. Next up, they're not all words, trust me. You have a purpose because we all have a purpose. Some just need a reminder of it. I found this really cool little design that says things that don't define you, and it's a number of things. So your struggles, what other people think of you, your weight, likes and shares, past mistakes, your job, your clothes size, your age, grades and results. I don't get grades, but results. That means something. Then I found this, and it really spoke to the fact that I have anxiety because of this. So perfectionism, which I am definitely a perfectionist, leads to procrastination, and I definitely procrastinate, leads to being overwhelmed, which that is how it feels, and then I get anxiety. So I need a reminder to not do those things. Another reminder to breathe, because sometimes I get really frustrated and don't breathe. I don't mean literally, I just mean like, take a deep breath, focus on what you're doing. Pray more, worry less. I have always struggled with religion. It's not something I talk about too much, but I would like to dabble in understanding religion more. Make yourself proud, because I should be proud of myself. I accomplished a lot. A negative mind will never give you a positive life, and that is something very important to me, and I think to a lot of people. You start to think about a lot of negative things, and then you just start to become very negative. Next up are just a bunch of images of goals that I have. So I'm putting them into the universe. I want to buy a home. If the home looked like this, that would be super cool too, because it's a cute house. And in that home, maybe not necessarily just a fireplace, but I want to make it over. I want to make it my own, and I want to dabble in DIY and renovations. Maybe not big ones, but you know, you catch my drift. Candles, which seems very random. But I have a business idea, and I'd like to see it come true in 2021. This one, oh, look at the little face. Look at this little face. I want a puppy. I want a pit bull, to be specific. And I mean, how can you look at this face and not fall in love? Random, yes, but I want to have better style. I want to focus on my style, and it's neutral because I'm a neutral gal. Some scenic picture, because at some point I would like to travel more out into the wild and see mountains. I'm obsessed with mountains. Here's one to focus on my mental health, i.e. having good mental health. I think that's very important. We all forget about it. A YouTube play button, aka I just want my YouTube to be better. So here's to hoping. Here's an image with a lot of women in it with a lot of different body types. And that is because I need a reminder that all body types are beautiful, and I need to stop putting on myself that I need to be railroad thin in order to be beautiful. Not that there's anything wrong with it, it's just not my body type. My body will never be like that. A random picture of girls, because I want more friends. I want to make more friends. I've talked about it maybe before, where I feel like I missed out on a lot of that because I didn't go to college. So I'd like to find more friend groups. This is a picture of necklaces of gems. What it symbolizes to me is I want to learn about rocks and gems and crystals. An image of journaling, because I would like to journal more. Being a lady boss. Who doesn't want to be a lady boss? I don't know, there's probably people who don't want to be a lady boss, but I do. A dollar sign. Maybe I just want to make more money. Maybe I want to save more money. Maybe I would like to do some of, have some of my endeavors make me money. That'd be a nice little side hustle. And make me be a lady boss. Next up, a sign that says shop local, because I would prefer to shop local more frequently. I already have made steps towards that, but could be better. It's good for your economy. It's good for the small businesses. Bunch of books, because I want to read more. And honestly, this picture is a vibe. A cake. Now, this does not mean that I want to eat more cake. It means that I want to bake more. That's what that means. And another image of mountains, because that is how obsessed I am, and I must go see them more. So now it's time to start playing with the arrangement of this, and if I'm being honest, the way I just laid out everything is kind of a vibe. Just kind of throwing that out there. So the more I overthink it, the worse it's gonna get. Y'all ever just hum random stuff to yourself, or is that just me? Probably just me. Okay.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
I'm done. So, here it is. I actually do really love it, and it's just like a whole vibe, and I'm feeling it. So, I'll get you a close-up. This, my friends, is what it looks like. And I'll hang it sometime, or prop it up against the wall. And there we have it. So hopefully this inspired you to make your own vision board, or at least just start manifesting things and seeing what happens. It can't hurt, can it? I mean, maybe don't manifest like bad things, but anyways. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe so you see future videos, and give it a thumbs up so that I know that you like these types of videos. You can follow me on all of my other social medias. They are linked down below, including my vlog channel and my podcast with my friends and all other social medias. Happy New Year, because this will be the last video of 2020 going up. I hope that your new year is good and safe, and cheers to a better year in 2020. So here's your weekly reminder to take a deep breath. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.